Service warning reset on a BMW X5. This is an F15 model, so it's the 2014 onwards. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually reset that now. Okay, to reset it, we just need to flick the ignition on. So press the start button. Then the button in the corner here, we're going to be pushing that down and holding it. We can see that the brake fluid needs to be replaced, and so reset possible, we'll press that. Perform reset, press it again. You hold it down while it does the reset in progress. This is just all after being done on this vehicle. So we'll also cycle through the other parts of the menu. So vehicle check. Vehicle check, reset possible, press release and press again. Perform reset, release and press again. Then you hold it down. And that's been done. And you can cycle through the menu as to which ones need to be done. Now this one is also done because the engine oil. Recommend doing the engine oil every 10,000 kilometers on these vehicles, not the condition-based servicing that they have set out. And that is it. So we'll flick the ignition off, start the engine again. And now we can see we have all of those warnings now reset and they're gone off. We'll go up to the service requirements section and it's all green across the board. If you want to do the service history update, you're going to need to do that on the scan tool and input that you have done the items that you said you've done. And that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.